do this short little test. Stand in front of a mirror or hold a small mirror before yourself and just observe as you look at yourself. What thoughts are coming to your mind? Most of us will observe certain thoughts about either our physical features, either about somebody who told us something. Maybe you recall some of your mistakes of your past. Some of us may have not very pleasant experiences from the past. Doesn't matter. Still, take the courage to do this mirror exercise. Look into your own eyes and observe your feelings about yourself. Within few seconds, you will know either you love yourself or you don't love yourself. If you love yourself, you will love what you see in the mirror. There'll be absolutely nothing wrong that you will find with yourself. But if you do not love yourself, you will find faults with yourself. And please remember, because you are seeing yourself in a certain way, the world is also going to make you believe this is true about yourself. The world is created inside, outside. Because you have been carrying in your energy certain feelings, certain beliefs, today the world seems to appear in a certain way. So when I start using better words, replace negative beliefs with positive ones, automatically you see, I am letting my subconscious mind know this is what I want to experience. Not that I am not loved. I want to experience I am loved and supported by everyone. The world is only a reflection of your inner thoughts. This exercise I am suggesting only for you to understand how it is important to use positive words and how positive words can actually change your experiences. So if at all we have some negative beliefs that I cannot be successful, then we need to reverse this into something positive, like I deserve success. I can attract success. What I want comes to me. Good opportunities and resources come to me. I receive love. I receive joy. I receive abundance. So as you are shifting your words, and in the day, becoming more conscious to speak more about the things you want rather than what you don't want, you will start to see a change within few days itself in your feelings about yourself, in your confidence level. You will realize now you're grasping better, you're absorbing better, you're understanding better, you are feeling better, and you're certainly doing better. It has to start one step at a time. My recommendation is sit with yourself, try to identify if you have certain beliefs about yourself. If you have a belief you cannot lose weight, then no matter how much you try, you will not. Because the subconscious mind will always try to match the reality with your belief. If I believe I cannot learn so much in a day, no matter how much I try, I will feel distracted and disturbed because I'm carrying that belief. Whatever beliefs you have, ask yourself if they are coming in the way of your success. And if the answer is yes, one by one, put them down on paper and use the power of words to reverse these negative beliefs, thoughts, and statements into positive ones. Once you have your list of positive statements ready, repeat them aloud daily. Take a copy of them, put it on the wall in your room or on your desk where you study. Make sure you engage with these words. Rest of the day too, make sure you speak with a smile. Make sure you use words that you know will add value to you. Use words that encourage. Use words that heal. The best gift you can give even your loved ones is sweet words. That is the best thing that you can do to help someone improve their health. That is the best thing you can do to your own self, your own body. That is the best thing you can do to unleash and maximize your own power and potential. One day at a time. But we have to make sure that we are consistent with these practices. So morning, if I can start with silent sitting, I can spend some time writing down my goals and also jotting down any ideas I'm getting relating to any action I can take for my goals. That is a great way to start your day. Throughout the day, remind yourself that you attract what you feel from inside. So start using better quality words. Make a list of positive words and statements. Take 5 to 10 minutes in a day. Repeat these positive statements to yourself. If you feel a lot of negative thoughts coming to your mind, immediately acknowledge the thought and feeling. Remind yourself, I don't need this. Instead of this, what do I want? I want peace. I want happiness. I want love. Then repeat to yourself, I am love. I am happiness. I am peace. I am a balanced person with a balanced mind. The more I entertain these thoughts and express them through words, the more I start strengthening my own power and cleansing my energy. If my energy is clean and pure, I will be able to get more done out of my day. At night, when you come to bed, please remind yourself to be grateful for whatever happened in the day. Certain days will obviously be very ordinary days. There'll be days where we felt nothing extraordinary happened. In fact, I wanted this, it did not happen. I got delayed. I was told this is what happened, this is that happened. Whatever it is, look for the good that you experienced in the day. There was a great psychologist by the name of Emile Coué, a French psychologist who had done so much of research and study with his own clients on the power of gratitude and positive thinking. And this is one practice he used to suggest to his clients and patients. He said, at the end of the day, pick out something good that happened. You see, when your mind is focused on the good, automatically you are preparing yourself to receive more of the same. And so at night, no matter what has happened in the day, I should at least say thank you for it and pull out something good from the day. And there was a great monk who had once said, you want a mantra for happy life? Keep saying, whatever happens is good for me. If you say whatever happens is good for me, good only will happen, because that is going to be your energy, your dominant vibration. And that is how you will also look at everything and everyone. Nobody can do any wrong to you if you hold in your mind that commitment, that power, that focus, that only and only good things come to me. Your focus is on good, that is what you are going to attract. And it's a wonderful feeling, you know, when you recall something good from your day. You make sure you sleep well. You make sure you sleep peacefully. That is a very good practice, end of the day. And if at all you want to ask yourself one question end of the day, let that question be, was I smiling enough? Was I loving enough? Because if I was not smiling enough and I was not loving enough, what use of such a day where I have not really enjoyed, I have not put my love out, I have not shared my warmth with others through my smile? What use is such a day? You see, we don't want to achieve our goals at a cost of losing our mental peace, at a cost of losing our relationships, our health. No, we want to achieve our goals joyfully. We deserve that for ourselves and for our families. So why not become more conscious to put more of your warmth and your love into everything that you do. This is very important because if you learn how to manage your emotions, that's it. You're going to get better at managing your life, because after all, the journey of the mind is ultimately the journey of life. If I'm able to manage the distractions in my mind, if I am able to deal with the negative memories that may come up in the mind, then automatically I am going to be able to create a better future for myself.
If you enjoyed this video, do share it with others. Subscribe to this channel. Click the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. This is Dr. Karishma Ahuja wishing you all the very best. Namaste. God bless.